Hello besties, how are we doing today? I hope you are doing well. We've gathered here on my living room floor for another chat about my Rimowa Classic Cabin Luggage. I'm undecided on how I feel about this, but essentially this lovely, gorgeous, fabulous piece of luggage broke on me once again. Essentially what has happened, apologies, this is a loud piece of luggage. When you pull this up, it doesn't collapse again. You know, I'm pushing, but it doesn't collapse. So I am kind of stuck with this thingy up unless I open up the luggage, fiddle with the little thingy in here, and then I can collapse it. But if not, then it's just stuck there, which is a little bit inconvenient, annoying, scary when you're traveling, because what if this doesn't collapse and I have to get on the airplane? No good vibes, literally. Look at this, it doesn't collapse. Like, what is this? This is horrible. We can't live with this, right? So what happened? I called the Rimowa customer service team and I was like, hey, I have a confession to make. My luggage is broken. And honestly, I didn't do anything. I was just traveling. I was on a train. I tried to collapse this telescopic handle, but it was just stuck there. So they were like, okay, we see that is a problem. We should help you. Can you send us some photos? So I basically sent the photos. I sent the the ID number that's here on the side of the luggage, and they were like, okay, so let us help you. Obviously your luggage is more than 5 years old, so you don't have the warranty anymore. If you buy new luggage right now, or basically that's been produced now, right, then you have the lifetime warranty. But mine is older than 5 years. And when I bought mine, it was 5 years warranty, right? So I'm not within the frame of them fixing it for free for me, right? So basically what they said is, we can send it in, right? You pay for the shipping, you pay for them to fix it, and then we send it back. He said that would be 25 euros to send it from Sweden to Germany, and then 70 euros for them to fix it. So it wouldn't have been a major issue, but he said what's the quickest way to fix it is if we send you a kit where you can fix it yourself. So what did they do? They sent me this huge box. So what we're doing today is that we are going to attempt to fix this. I am now reporting as Bob the Builder, right? I am not sure this will go well. I am not a pro builder or a pro fixer whatsoever, but we'll try our best. We'll see how it goes. If this is a failure, then I might call my dad and see if he can help us. But let's see. First off, let's open up this box. I have brought my little Swiss Army knife. I guess that will suffice to fix this. I have a packing list right here. Let's check what's on the packing list first, actually. Telescopic handle. Oh, yes. Oh, wait, sorry. Let's put this away. Let's not wave knives at each other. That's rude. Basically, this piece of Reparatur des Teleskopgestänges, or telescopic handle reparation kit, I guess. It should have been 65 euros. I saw on the, because I basically got an invoice. Should have been 65 euros. The dude at Rimowa sent this to me at 100% rebate, so basically 0 euros. So that was nice. Thank you very much, Alex, at Rimowa customer service. I was not expecting that. Exceeded my expectations on that front. Let me just open it. Yay. We have bubble wrap made with recycled polyethylene. Look at that being a sustainable little thingy. What do we have here actually? Okay. So what we have some screws, and we have this telescopic handle. The telescopic handle to me does not look the same as this one, so let's see. Or maybe it does actually. Maybe I'm just missing the point here. Yeah, I think I'm just missing the point. It actually does look the same because I just saw it like this. No, that looks like it checks out actually. Okay, this is interesting. How are we gonna do this, fam? I'm not 100% on this. Okay. Is that dark brown or is that black? I'm slightly colorblind, so do excuse. No, that's for sure black, not dark brown. Okay. That's a slight inconvenience, but you know, if it works, then I can live with a black telescopic handle versus a brown one. Okay, so this obviously does not collapse, but let me just, how are we gonna do this? But how is this gonna work? Because this is like majorly glued. What am I gonna do with this? Okay, let's take off all of this jewelry actually. Can I show you what I'm looking at actually? Maybe let's try to reframe. And also let's bring out some tools. Let's see if we can do this. When I bought this apartment, my parents gave me like hella toolboxes. So, you know, we have major tools. Let's see what we will need. Okay. I'm not sure about this. One screw out, go us, literally, go team. 2 screws out. We've taken out this thingy, whatever that means. But I see one major issue, you know, because this is so like glued in place. Let me show you. Like, look at this freaking glue. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? Okay, ignore the sand. I'm not sure where that comes from, but we just removed those screws from, wait. From there, look at those. We just removed those, and I guess if this was not so freaking glued in place, we would be able to take this out now, but let's see if we can remove this. Oh, look at that. Did you see? I could just leave this thingy here. Okay. Okay, we got that one out. That was a success, I'm assuming. So look at this. We could just leave the glue thingy. Look at that. We just had to take out these screws that are like right there. Can we do the same here? And look at that. When you remove those screws, then I guess I can just... Can I just pop this in here? Or like, what do I do? Okay. So what we found out, you have to actually remove this little guy from this one. This one was like right here when you got the kit. They should have included like some little booklet on how to do this. Like, I had to compare, you know, so that they look the same. Okay, now it might make more sense. Let's see. Like, buildery people will probably think this is so lame, but like, I'm not a buildery person, so you know, bear with me. Does that work? Okay, let me put these screws back in place actually and see if this adds up. That adds up too. Look at us go, literally. Okay, so what now? Does this add up? I think this is just gonna be like, watch this millennial girl struggle for 20 minutes straight. Okay, and now that seems to add up too. Look at us go. Okay, so then I guess we're adding the screws back here. Is that what we're doing? Do you think so? What was this? Did these screws just come from there? Why am I struggling again? Should this be here? Yes, that's totally it, right? That's exactly what we did. We removed this. Why am I so not buildery? Okay, there we go. So now I'm just attempting to add these screws back, right? Because I just added these back, these, you know, these guys. So hopefully this should work now. Let's see. I'm like sweating, and this was more building than I was expecting to have to do. Are you impressed? I'm kind of impressed with myself, like literally. Who am I? Who is she? Literally. Is this it? Have I succeeded? So solid. Look at that. Okay, there we go. I am, like I said, officially so sweaty. This was like a workout and a half. Why am I so lame? I don't know, but this looks great, doesn't it? Look at me go. That is so solid. Do you see this? I am so thankful that my parents bought me tools, because like without tools, Rimowa does not send like a toolkit for you. Like if you don't have tools, then you're gonna struggle, that's for sure. So thank you mom and dad for like sponsoring my building journey. Okay, well done, go team, we made it. Now my Rimowa case is fixed. How cool am I for like fixing my own Rimowa case? That is kind of badass, I am not gonna lie. I feel accomplished. So what have we learned? We have learned that if your Rimowa case breaks, I mean, sure, you can send it in for them to fix it, but equally that will take them like a good few weeks. I'm traveling in 2 days, so I couldn't really wait to have my luggage fixed. And I could fix it myself, so that was not really a tutorial because I don't know the terminology of building. I'm so very sorry, but at least we accomplished something today. We replaced this one. Sure, I didn't get like the dark brown handle now, which is a little bit of a shame because this one is dark brown. I think that's a little bit cuter actually than the black one that I have now. But equally, this one is functional and it works, and I think that kind of trumps the dark brown handle of my old one any day because it didn't work, you know? Also, what we learned, sure, it's an expensive piece of luggage, but equally, if something breaks, I feel like the service that you get from Rimowa, that they actually like send spare pieces that you can like fix your luggage with. How sustainable is that, you know? If I had any other luggage, like I'm not sure how the other like luggage brands work, but in my personal experience, like when I had Samsonite or like Tumi or whatever luggage, I mean, when those broke, you kind of had to go buy a new case, which I didn't have to do now, and I think that speaks volumes. One, Rimowa stands by their quality. I appreciate that. Two, like their customer service people are so nice. They're literally like, I am so sorry for this inconvenience. Of course, we're gonna help you fix it. When do you need to travel next? What do you prefer? Do you want to send it in or can you try to fix it yourself? I'm like, I am Bob the Builder now. I can fix this. I can do this. We can go on this journey together. me and my Seedler family, you know? And I just feel like this was such an accomplishment, literally. I had a broke piece of luggage for literally €0, and I guess like half an hour of sweaty work, I got my luggage fixed. That is literally a productive Sunday to a T. What do you think? Are we a fan of Rimowa luggage? I personally think I am. I mean, this is the second time my Rimowa Classic Cabin Luggage has broken on me. I have another story time about when my wheel fell off. That was slightly stressful because it was just like ka-ching, clean cut. The wheel just fell off. So there was no way for me to like screw it back in place. But now, I mean, they fixed it. They replaced the wheels with new ones. Sure, this is very dirty on the bottom part of the suitcase because I travel with this so much, but the wheels are new. They replaced them for me like a year ago or something, I think. And now this broke, but equally, like a new piece of this type of luggage is like €1,500 or dollars. I mean, it's expensive for luggage, but equally, if it breaks on you or when it breaks, I mean, it's luggage, right? So it's gonna go through some trials and tribulations, let's be honest. And when it breaks on you, I have a hair on my arm. That's not cute. When it breaks on you, I'm such an ADHD kid. When it breaks on you, they're gonna help you fix it, literally. And I think, like I said, that speaks volumes. I'm not sure if I said it, but I think that speaks volumes on how much Rimowa stands by their quality, and I for sure appreciate that. So I guess now, me and my Rimowa Classic Cabin Luggage, we've been a travel duo since 2018, EST 2018, me and the Rimowa Classic Cabin Luggage, you know? And it's now 2023, right? So we've been traveling together 5 years. Now that it's fixed, we can travel more years. I'm not sure where I'm going with this rant, but I'm happy that I'm serving enough Bob the Builder vibes to fix my own luggage. You know, that's an accomplishment on its own. So thank you for coming with me on this little journey. If you ever have this issue with your Rimowa Classic Cabin Luggage and you need guidance on how to fix it, you can call yours truly and we can go through this journey together, you know? Maybe not call because you don't have my number, but you can just leave me a comment under this video and we figure it out together, you know? Like even someone like me, I'm not buildery at all. Like I'm not a DIY queen, unfortunately, and I could fix this myself. So that kind of speaks volumes on how easy it should be as well. I think Rimowa should have included like a little, you know, guidebook on how to do this. They did not, but now we have this video as proof, as even if Rimowa doesn't send you like a care booklet, like you can figure it out, it's fine. But yeah, once again, I'm happy with the customer service from Rimowa. I am happy that it's now fixed. I can now travel with it again. And I am happy that I got this little toolkit for literally free. How awesome is that? So even if I bought expensive luggage initially and it's broken on me twice, I now have it fixed and we can keep traveling together. I don't need to buy new luggage literally ever. We can just keep fixing this one and be the sustainable queens we are. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me on this journey. It was a journey and a half, truly. If you enjoy this type of slightly chaotic but still kind of balanced and wholesome content, subscribe. I would love to have you join our little Seedler family here. And if you like the video, consider giving it a like, because that shows me that I am not alone in being a fan of Rimowa Classic Cabin Luggages and that I'm not alone to struggle with DIY. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye. Bye.